7th of April, and we will skip set number 8 because the questions are really easy. So we'll do set number 9 today. SA1 9 Rosyth School Primary 6 Math 2016. It's not 2015. Okay, thank you. We'll do the last few questions. We'll start from question 50. Then I'll set the paper. Okay, the figure below is made of two squares, ABFG, BCDE, and a triangle ADF. The ratio of AB to BC is 1:3, given that DE, which is the same as BC, is 9 cm. Find the shaded area. If this is 9 cm, if AB is to BC, is 1:3, and given this is 9 cm, then this will be 3 times 3 is 9, 1 times 3, this will be 3. Okay, AB is 3. Okay, now let's start. How to find the area of the shaded area? Find the area of the whole figure minus area AGF minus area FED and minus area ACD. So let's start with area of triangle AGF, half base times height. Right? Half base times height. 3, 3. Area of triangle set below. FED. Half. Sorry. I'm doing the secondary school. Half base times what's the height? You realize it's not 9, right? From B to E is 9. There's a 3 here, so you have to 9 minus 3. So you get 27 cm square. Okay, now we get to look for the big triangle. Area of triangle ACD, half. Okay, you can choose this as the base, but you realize it's more than 9 cm, so it's 9 plus 3, right? So you show them 9 plus 3 times what's the height? 9. You get 54 cm squared. Now area of the whole figure, 3 times 3 plus 9 times 9, right? So over here just write area of figure equals to, you can use bracket, 3 times 3 and then you plus 9 times 9. You get, okay, so area, write keyword, okay, of shaded part, which is what they want. 90 minus 54 minus 27 minus 4.5, you get 4.5 cm squared. This is pretty straightforward. It's not my boggling, it's very straightforward, so you don't have big problem. The big problem is question number 17. Yeah, we'll come to that later. That's the reason why I tackled this set number 9 instead of set number 8, because set number 8 none of my students has any question. It's pretty straightforward. They score pretty high, so I'm not going to waste time to do that. Okay, let's go to question number 16. Okay, ABCG is a trapezium. AF is equals to FE. This is a right angle triangle. Can you see that this is parallel? Right? Because it's a trapezium, so this is a 2 parallel side. If this is parallel, if this is 90 degree, this whole thing is also 90 degree. You got that? And then the ratio of AFE is 2, so this whole thing is 2, and this is 1. So 2 is to, oh no, BAG 1. 2 is to 1. And then ABC, and ABC is thrice as much as BAG. ABC is thrice as much as BAG, so twice as much. So I redraw the thing. So I actually put, since you put twice, so I put 3 unit. 3:1, right? The red color. BAG, right? 1. And then I follow this is 2:1, right? So if this is 1, and this whole thing is 2 unit. 1, 2:1. Okay? So it's easier to see. Of course, you can draw on your own diagram. We don't have to redraw. Okay, now from here, what do you know? All angles, sum of angles in quads, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 angles will be 360, correct? Alright, so let's start with this. 3 unit plus, what is this? Just now we already concluded this is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. 3 unit plus 90 degree plus, what is this? This is 2 units, right? 2 unit plus, what is this? 35 degree, right? 35 degree equals to 360. Okay, you set the equation first. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. You add it together, you get 360. Now, eliminate. So 3 plus 2, you get 5 unit will be equals to, 5 unit will be equals to, hold on, I need to do calculation. 360 minus 90 minus 35. Okay, you get 2, 3, 5, right? So what is 1 unit? 1 unit, which is BAG, right? 1 unit, you get 47. Yeah. Okay. But please have the right angle BAG equals to 47. If not, we actually don't know what it is, because based on this equation, you're the one who label 333. Okay, so you got first one. Now they want you to find EFG. EFG is this one. This is the small one, right? Okay, EFG, this red color. Okay, now you know that 1 unit is 47. Can you find O? So here is 47, right? You know that that is 90 minus 47. You get here is 43. So you here is 43. Why? Isosceles triangle, right? Alright, cool. Now we got to proceed to find what do you want? EFG, right? Area, no, angles of a triangle 180, right? So 180 minus 43 minus 43 minus 90, you got your answer. So I can just do more straightforward here. Can I just angle EFG equals to 180 minus 43 minus 43 minus 90. Oh, you need to do one working to show how you get 43. 90 minus 47 is 43. You should have to show us. Sometimes they deduct one mark because there's no linkage, yeah? And there's no 43 given in the question. So please show your working. Sorry, sometimes a little bit fast. Okay, 180 minus 43 minus 43 minus 90. You get 4. Okay, cool. Okay, let's move on. Next question is a little bit mind-boggling. Okay, you can read the question. The ratio of number of chocolate to the number of sweets that John bought was 2:7. The cost of a chocolate was $1.70 more than the cost of sweet. He paid $299.60 for the chocolate and sweet. That's the total cost. If the total cost of sweet was $92.40 more than the total cost of chocolates, how many chocolates and sweets did John buy altogether? How many sweets did John buy altogether? Hold on. Okay. Managed to understand? Okay, I'm going to start with the very first. The first part. Draw the simplified model first. I know that your first step, you usually want to start 2 to 7, right? But there's something more to this question, you know. I need a few more steps. So let's do this. Sweet, chocolate, you pay more for sweet, definitely, because you buy more, right? You see, it's already been told here. The sweet was $92.40 more. What did you pay for the total? $299.60. You pay more for the sweet, $92.40. Find the difference. Find the difference. You get 299.6 minus 92.4. You get 207.2. Am I right that if you get this 207.2, you divide by 2, what do you have? You get 103.60. Meaning to say, you see, you get rid of this extra, right? 299.60, you minus off 92.4. So no more. And then you divide by 2. So each one is 103. Right? Now, did you pay 103.60 cents for 2 chocolate? I know it's not really 2 chocolate, but let's just take the ratio. There's 2 chocolate, right? Okay. Okay, so now we can go on, right? Okay, now you have to find out how much you pay for your total. How much you pay for the sweets now, right? Here you pay $196 for the sweet. This is the 2 chocolate, and this is for all the sweets. All the sweets. Now, did you realize that 1 chocolate is $170 more? Right? And you bought 2 chocolates here, right? So you have to find the set of. Okay, this is for your set 7 sweet, right? So you get 196 divide by your 7 sweet. You see, the sweet is 7. So your 1 unit of sweet is $28. What is your 1 chocolate? Remember, this amount that you got, right, is your 2 chocolate. So you get 103 divide by 2. You get $51.80. Now you realize that the chocolate is more than sweet, right? Which is correct. Because chocolate, 1 chocolate is $170 more than sweet. So how many sets of 170 are there in the difference? $3.8. Okay. So 51.8 minus 28, you get. So 51.8 minus 8, you get 23.8, right? 23.8. How many set of 170? Every time you have 170, right? Okay, that means you have one chocolate, 1 sweet. So now the 1 unit you have 14 set. I'm not talking about 1 sweet, 1 chocolate, you know. No. 1 sweet, 1 chocolate. They are equal unit, but the chocolate costs 170 more. Right? This is when you have 1 unit. But now you cost 23.80 cents more. That means there is 14 chocolate and 14 sweets for 1 unit. So 1 unit you have 14 chocolate. So number of chocolate that you have, remember your chocolate is 2 set, right? You have 28 chocolate. How many sweet did you get? 7, right? So now I found that 1 unit is 14, right? I find the set, 14 sets. So 7 sets of 14. I get 98. Sweet. You can refer to the answer at the back. The other teacher uses it's about the same. This is just in between, right? She and I has a slightly different method because I prefer to look for the lowest term, the number of set off. But she just stick to 2:7, so she take the big number, right? She straight away divide by 2, and then divide by, yeah. So she uses slightly different method. But it's about to us it's about the same, but it's just individual style. So you can study these two methods and see which one actually suits you better. Now we're here to the last question, question 18. Study the diagram in the below. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD contains two identical right angle triangle, right angle. Okay? Identical, that means this length and this length is the same, so it will be 30, 30. The parameter of the shaded part is 210. What is the ratio of the area of the two triangle to the shaded part, not to the whole figure? So we're going to do one by one. You have to find the area of the shaded part first. You know, it doesn't make sense, okay? Okay, just as I say, so I redraw this. So if they are identical, that is 60, so this will be 30, 30, 18, 24, 18, 24. Parameter. So if 30, 30, I know this is 60, right? So what do I need? I need to take parameter 2, 1, 0 minus, what do you minus? You minus 60, you minus 18, minus 24, you minus 18, you minus 24, and you're left with 2 breath, right? Please do not minus the 30, you see. They say the parameter of the shaded part, so it's minus 18, minus 24, minus 18, minus 24, right? And then minus 60. You left the 2 breath here. So I need to find the 2 breath. So I got a 66, a 66 divided by 2, I get a 33. So this is 33, this is 33 now. Okay, we can start now. What is the area? The ratio of 2 triangle. I'm gonna find area of 2 triangle equals to half 2 times half base times height. 2 times half times 18 times 24. Okay. (432 cm square). Okay, area of rectangle ABCD equals to 33 times 60 equals 1980 cm square. Okay, I'm gonna find the area of the shaded. Find area of shaded equals to 1980 minus 432 equals to, okay, here, okay, 1548. Now gotta start doing area of ratio, right? Ratio, they want the shaded to, oh no, they want the 2 triangle, right? 2 shaded. So area of 2 triangle is 432, shaded is 1548, reduced to lowest term. Ah, my scientific calculator is not with me. You heard on that? I try. Yeah, you can use your calculator and set it to fraction. Just put the smaller number as numerator and the bigger number as denominator. You get 12 over 43 and just place it accordingly. Okay, answer. That's all for today. I understand the question gets a little bit, I think question 18 is very straightforward. I know question 17, now we're getting more of this type of question. Actually, I have a lot, especially for primary 5 homework this year. So because they're getting ready for the new syllabus in 2018, for primary 6 there'll be more abstract thing out of the box question, even though they cut down the number of long questions in section C, but I think it's quite challenging even for the students. So let's hope everything turns out well. Okay, thank you, see you next time, bye.